Step 2. Ceramic coating. Wrap the suede around the coating block. That makes the applicator. Use number 2 ceramic coating. Put on the gloves. Use dot dab method to prime the applicator. For first time, you need around 3 to 4 or 5 dabs. No need to over-soak it. Cap the bottle after each use. Draw 2 square feet size. Use crosshatch pattern to fill it up. Each coated panel needs 20 to 30 minutes to react. While waiting, you can repeat steps on next 2 square feet panel.
When should I add coating to applicator?
When the glide is weak, just add 2 to 3 dabs will do. No need to over-soak it.
Okay, 2 square feet size each panel. Crosshatch pattern, left, right, up, down. Wait 20 to 30 minutes, then buff off clean.
Always remember, tip number 5, follow the flow.
Roof, front, left side, rear, right side.
That's correct.
Alright, time's up.
Buff off clean to a streak-free finishing. Make sure no haze, no stain, no residue. It should be mirror clean.
Repeat these steps till the entire car is coated, right?
Correct. When the side of towel gets dirty, flip to the clean side or change to new towel. Do final inspection to make sure all clean.
What is the required curing time?
After the car is fully coated, give it a minimum of 8 hours. Best is 24 hours. During this time, no touch, no water. Wait 7 days for first car wash. Use coating-friendly car shampoo. After wash, make sure to towel dry the car completely. Practice good habits like regular wash.
How often?
Weekly if the car is always on the road. Bi-weekly if the car is always parked under shelter.
Copy that.